Before we let you go, one more question I want to throw your way that I'm excited to get your response to, especially given everything you've just brought up here. If with the snap of your fingers, Chris, you could make any change to the education system, what change would it be?
Time. I think that there is a lot that we are throwing at our educators right now. And I think that the thing that gets me up every morning from a product development perspective is I know that a gifted teacher could teach with a wet paper bag and a stick if that's all they had. So from a product development perspective, I know that I need to come out with something better than that. Everything I do from this side of the house, because I was a former teacher, I was a former technology coordinator, I was in the classroom. I know that everything from my side of the house needs to be something that makes it better. Because what they're doing already has been proven decades and decades. It works. And now we're thinking all this stuff is happening around them and everything boils down to change management. How do educators deal with change? And different personalities deal with it differently. But the one underlying factor is we just need a little bit more time to breathe. If you're under the gun with attendance and testing and technology and everything else that the teacher's being asked to do in today's environment, they can't step back and have that aha moment, which is when you go from the integration into an implementation, the purchase into the usage. And that only comes about, as you said, when teachers are able to really absorb what it could do and reframe it to work for them instead of them having to work for the technology. Time to me is a critical element.